Well, hi everyone, it's Pete here for the Pain Talk. Hey, look, I've just been having a chat here with my good buddy over there in Kelowna, British Columbia, Keith Meldrum. Hey, Keith, what's going on?
Just living the dream here in the western part of Canada, Pete.
Lovely.
How are things in the UK?
Yeah, not too bad, dude.
Good.
And got a couple of events coming up, and thought we've just been discussing, doing some organising and stuff like that. But you want to tell
Mhm.
the listeners and watchers to the video a little bit more about the events coming up?
Absolutely. Pretty excited to say that coming up next February, the 16th to the 21st, is the fourth, I can't believe it, it's four already, Supported Self-Management Conference. But as important, if not even more so, part of that is that week is our second Supported Self-Management Week. And that week is really exciting because that's the opportunity for organizations, individuals who live with pain and others who are who advocate and are self-managers to take that week because we're going to shine a light on that week and to take that as an opportunity to highlight what they're doing in their countries or what they're doing individually and just continue to elevate the importance and shine a light on the importance of supported self-management. And then we wrap it all up at the end of the week in North America. It's on the 20th, and in Europe and Asia and our friends in Australia and New Zealand, the conference, the fourth supported self-management conference, is on the 21st. So it's going to be another amazing week in February.
And as usual, we've got a fantastic group of presenters of
Mhm.
pain self-managers and healthcare professionals who work in the field of pain self-management. We can't really, we're not going to, we're just waiting for someone to confirm they're going to be in attendance. So we'll, in another video,
Yeah.
we'll tell you all of the presenters are. I remember from last year's Pain Self-Management Week, what events people and organisations did, and that was fantastic. Where they was really hot on promoting what they do around the world, promoting pain self-management. And I mean, what was your favourite one, Keith?
You know, it truly is hard to pick one favorite because there were some just great things going on, and we know some of the organizations we saw were really prolific. You know, as I recall, the South African pain organization was really out there, and that's what's really exciting. And what I also love is on the Pain Toolkit website are some ideas that people can use to that they can do to promote the week because it doesn't need to be big. It doesn't need to be, all showy. This is the opportunity for people who have a message about supported self-management, its importance, and its efficacy to promote that week. So it's just getting the word out and putting out there what they're doing, whether you're an organization or an individual. But last year, I mean, I was really, really pleased with the uptake and what we saw happen.
Yeah, hence why we're doing it. They're going to be doing it every year now as well. Like, because
Hmm.
as you said, there's an opportunity to let others around the world know what you're doing. As in self-management, it's about teamwork, etc.
Absolutely.
Anything else we got to tell people?
Well, like you said, we're just finalizing our lineup. We'll have more information on that. One of the things that I think is really important and I really enjoy about the conference is we have that balance. And this is our fourth year and we're doing it again. We have that nice balance between individuals who live with pain, who have amazing stories of their own resilience and their journeys from, living with pain to where they are now. Hence the name of the conference, which is from persistent pain to possibilities, and we're going to hear those stories, and then that's balanced off with some healthcare providers who really understand people and their journeys with pain and what supportive self-management is. So stay tuned to hear about that great lineup coming.
Yeah, I think it's a great theme as well for the conference because a lot of people with pain and they think as I did back in the day, you get persistent pain, you think, oh my God, everything feels like your life comes to a screeching stop, like
Yeah,
So as we both know from learning pain self-management that th things happen for yourself. It's like but you think of self-management, it's a doing thing, like so.
yeah.
The possibilities have been crazy. I mean, how we met. back in 2018 at the IAPS Congress in
Yeah,
Boston in the States, and I was thinking about it this morning actually. What what all the things that happened from that? I mean, it's
yeah,
totally crazy, like where
absolutely.
yeah,
Yeah,
where we
yeah.
got teamed up ourselves. We've done a different version of the pain toolkit. We did a neuropathic pain toolkit because of
Hmm.
you living with persistent pain
Hmm.
and networking. That I think that's the key thing in it with these conferences. Is how people can network and learn from each other, etc. So.
Absolutely. As I like to say, this is a little bit of a shameless plug for some of the advocacy work I do, but supported self-management and raising that awareness of it, that's really a path forward for so many people.
Okay, so we're signing off now. So we'll see you again on another video. Keep you up to speed. What's going on? Next video, we'll tell everybody who the presenters are, and I trust us. We have got some really super duper speakers this
We do. Yeah, it's going to be exciting. Looking forward to it.
year. Thanks, Keith. See everyone. Take care. Be cool and
Bye,
groovy.
everyone.
Ciao.
Thanks,
Bye.
Pete.